Part 1 Wing Installation. The first step is to insert the carbon tube into the wing, to the end, and align it. And insert the right wing. After inserting, we turn it over. Apply glue to the connecting part and insert it into the wing's connection hole. Now we apply glue. Prepare to fix the glue joint. Align the slot. Press it flat. Press it down. After installation, we untie the left and right wing bundles. Take a Y cable. Connect the servo lines for the ailerons on both the left and right wings. Then use another Y cable. Connect the -1 rudder wires of left and right wings. Temporarily fix all the wing bundles. Put the harness into the fuselage battery compartment. Align the wings with the fuselage slots. Align and press it flat. Fix the front of the wing with screws. Then fix the back with plastic screws. In this way, the wing is installed. Part 2 Horizontal and vertical stabilizer installation. Align the vertical and horizontal stabilizers at the joint. Align them directly with the slots. And then press it down. Turn the plane over and fix it on the back with screws. Part 3 Tail wheel installation. First, loosen the machine screw of the tail wheel rod. Then there is a notch in the wire. We insert the wire into it. Then tighten the machine's nut screws. Part 4 Stabilizer Control Linkage Installation. Align the fin rudder angle with the back of the slot first. Align it with the yellow back plate. Then tighten the screws to fix it. Observe the position of the lever clamp head and the rudder angle. We adjust the length of this clamp head. After adjusting to the appropriate length, insert the clamp into the rudder angle and press the buckle to fix it. Horizontal tail pull rod installation. First, observe the length of the pull rod. If it's short, you can loosen it a little. Pass the wire through the servo armhole. Fix it with screws. Align the back plate. Part 5 Machine Gun Detail Installation. Apply foam glue to the decorative parts in turn. Insert it into the wing according to the hole, as shown in the video. Part 6 Propeller Adapter Installation. Remove the nut gasket first. Install the paddle seat. Fix them with screws in turn. These 4 screws must be tightened. If possible, you can add a little low-strength screw glue to reinforce. Part 7 Propeller Installation. First, install the propeller cover. Open the screws of the fairing. Pay attention to aligning the latch on the back of the base with the paddle seat latch. Install the base. When installing the propeller, needs to be installed in the right position. Then install the fairing. Tighten the screws in turn. Part 8 Cockpit Detail Installation. Apply glue to the decoration and press it into the slot. Apply glue to the bottom of the doll and fix it in the cabin. Then install the cockpit vacuum forming. Apply glue here and here to align and stick. And stick it. Part 9 Decal Application. Just follow the instructions. In this way, the entire plane is installed. Now, Senior 86A will explain the wiring procedure for you. First, open the cockpit. After we installed the ailerons before, the left and right wing lighting wires and the landing gear wires are not connected. First, we need to connect the lighting wires and landing gear wires to the control unit. Left and right wing lines, except for the 2Y lines, except for the 2Y wires. There are also 4 wires. 2 smaller ones are light wires, and the 2 wider ones are landing gear lines. Let's first connect the light wires to our control unit wires. The control unit has 2 red light wire extensions, and connect them to the light wires respectively. In this way, these 2 wires are connected. Then there are 2 more landing gear lines. The 3 rows of pins on the control unit are for the landing gear. The positive electrode is connected to the red wire at the top. Insert it into the port. In this way, the light and landing gear wires are connected. Next, we connect the receiver. One of the channels connects to the aileron line. The second channel is for the elevator line. The third channel is for the throttle line. Fourth channel connects to the direction line. 5-channel connection for landing gear wires. There's also an aileron line connected to the 7-channel system. After connecting, organize the wires and put it in the cockpit. In this way, our entire wiring is completed. Then use M-glue. Fix the receiver positively in the battery compartment. And it's done. Next, turn on the power for testing. Because of this receiver, I had previously dealt with frequency issues. So the remote control has a record. Once it's installed, it automatically adjusts the frequency. Normally, we need to agree on a frequency. Let's do the following. Airplane function test. Landing gear test. Aileron test. Horizontal stabilizer test. Vertical stabilizer test. Flap test. Motor test. The assembly, wiring, and testing of the entire aircraft are now complete.